Hey there, everybody. You're on with Ocean Trader. I had a few extra minutes this morning to sit down and film a quick video for you guys. So I decided to answer a couple of the questions I get asked all the time by people who are interested in learning how to trade and by people who want to become consistently profitable traders. What I have on my screen right here is the default paper trading, that means fake money trading. If you see up here, it says simulated trading. The fake money trading side of the trading platform Thinkorswim. So when you guys start trading, this is the first thing you guys are going to see as well on Thinkorswim if you download their software. So I figured I'd just start from the ground up with you guys. All right, first question I always get asked is, can you make money doing this? The answer is a flat out yes. Then the follow-up question is always, well, how much do you think I could make? Like, how much do you think I could make in a week or a day or something like that? And my answer is, well, that really varies. That really depends. I know traders who make anywhere from a couple $100s to several $1,000s every day. And now keep in mind, that's not an everyday thing. Not every day is a winning day. Some days you come out negative, and that's fine. That's totally okay. You just want to make sure you're trading with a trading strategy that allows you to be wrong more often than you're right and remain profitable. There's a little trick to that, and I'll go ahead and walk you guys through that step by step in an upcoming video. So look out for that. Second question I get is, how much do I need to start? That completely depends. It's different for everybody. It depends on what your goals are and what your trading strategy will be. The best way I can answer that is trading is all about percentages. For instance, if you were to put in $100 and your trade made 10%, then you would profit $10. Now, if you put in $1,000, you would make $100 off that exact same trade. So that's just something to keep in mind. I would say an absolute minimum of 300 is probably the way to go. At that point, you can start making small profits from. Usually at that point, if I have 300, I'm looking for $60 profits per trade around that area, sometimes higher. Sometimes a little bit less, but at that point, that allows you to grow your account. So you started with that 300 after your first trade, you're 360, then 420 and 480, and it just goes up from there. And then soon enough, you'll be trading at that $1,000, where you can start making a lot more per trade. So just start where you're comfortable. Don't trade with money that you can't lose. That's massively important. We all, of course, want to make money doing this, but the reality is some people won't. So just keep that in mind. And I always recommend paper trading on something just like this. It allows you to place trades. For instance, I can place an Apple trade right now. If I want to buy this, can go ahead and just buy that. I'm not even reading the order ticket. And then it looks like, see, I have this position right here on Apple, and it is currently, it hasn't changed in price. So I will just go ahead and adjust the account, and you can just go ahead and set it right back to default and apply. And then all of this goes right back to normal. And then you can, of course, come in here and close this trade as well. That's just adjust positions. You just reset all positions. And there you go. So learn to trade like that. Trade on this simulated paper trading. I will walk you through how to set that up in a future video. Trade this way first because you can't lose any money. Then once you get really good at this and get it nailed, all you do is switch over to the live money side, and you'll be trading in this exact same environment. Everything looks the same, except for all this orange stuff is now green. So that's the one thing I will mention is if you look around, everything's light colored. I prefer a light background. Some people prefer a dark background, but that's just that's a personal preference thing. That's in look and feel, and then your color scheme would be dark. So that's probably what it'll look like when you guys start. I usually just change that because I prefer the light setting. I think it's easier on the eyes when you're trading all day. All right, number 3. People say, but I'm not a professional trader. I'm not somebody living in New York wearing a suit with millions of dollars in the bank. The reality is you really don't have to be one. Most retail traders, in fact, aren't. A retail trader is someone like you or me who's sitting at home trading from their personal computer with their own funds, just doing that as a living. We're not working for anybody. We're our own boss. you're a retail trader at that point. I live in California. I know people who live down south in Cali. They'll trade in the morning. Market closes at 1. They'll go surfing for a bit or just hang out on the beach. You can be anywhere doing anything. Occasionally, I'll trade in a bathrobe. So really, there's nothing holding you back. All you need to start trading is a computer, a reasonably fast internet connection, and you just have to be willing to learn. And I'll teach you step by step all the way throughout the course of these videos. So don't feel that you're limited by what you have. You don't really need anything more than those basics. Yeah, so that covers some of the questions I get asked all the time. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead, keep this short, wrap it up right there. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Check out the channel for more videos. I'll teach you more about the Thinkorswim platform, strategy, how to get started, everything. The purpose of the channel is to take you from not knowing what a ticker is or never placed a trade before to becoming a consistently profitable trader. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Happy trading.